Ikaw ba ay nasa probinsya ng Bicol kagaya ng Albay, Camarines Sur, Camarines Norte, Masbate, Sorsogon o Catanduanes?
Ikaw ba ay nasa siyudad ng Naga, Legazpi, Ilinga, Tabaco, Ligao, na nangarap mag-abroad tulad ng Canada and Australia?
Fil-Global is here to help you. Maray na aldaw mga Bicolanos!
We are inviting you to our International Visa Expo Bicol Roadshow this coming June 11, 2022, Friday 1 p.m. at Avail PLAZA Hotel, Naga City.
We will discuss the easy pathways for you to study, work, and live in Canada and Australia, where you can migrate and can bring your family with you.
Join us to know our Fly Now, Pay Later promo,
staggered payment options,
loan assistance,
scholarship discount, and many more. Let us move forward and reach your dreams within 4 to 6 months.
So what are you waiting for? Register now by clicking the link. Be one step closer with Fil-Global.
See you there!